unbelievably rewarding. I find that the MSc really challenges you. It really helps you grow and develop. The biggest draw for me was the lecturers and the content and the placement element. That's huge.
It's really fun. It's very integrative. And I think the lecturers do make it a lot more fun than with a lot of other courses.
All the tutors are really helpful in doing everything that you need, and you have such immersive experiences as a trainee counselor. It's not just counseling skills that I'm learning, but also that I'm getting research training.
So we do lectures, but we also do lots of workshops and group discussions.
And the teaching quality is excellent.
The course content has been very, very helpful in building me up as a future counselor.
If you want to grow into your best version of yourself, then this is the place you should come to.
It's really changed my life. It really has, in a really positive way. Yeah.